So right at our 2 o'clock position on this cliff face, just beside the glacier, there are some coastal mountain goats up there. So normally they're just a bit off white. They're a little dirtier right now, hanging out in the rain. So look for those white spots kind of on that rocky ledge there, about halfway up, or about 3/4 of the way up, kind of in that grassy spot near there. So there's some coastal mountain goats, which is really quite a treat to see those guys in their natural habitat here. And then also, if you are noticing out on the ice, you might be wondering what are these black dots out on the ice in front of us? Well, those are harbor seals.
Harbor seals.
So we have a bunch of harbor seals here, as well as coastal mountain goats, and not just all this glacier ice, but quite a bit of wildlife as well. Now, as we pull up to Glacier here, we're going to do the same thing that we did before. We're going to sit with the starboard or right-hand side facing the glacier first. And then after a little bit, we'll pivot around. So people should be able to get views on both sides. Now, we are intentionally going to kind of pull the hoverboat into this glacier ice here. We're going to have a crew member on the bow with a large dip net. And they're going to be scooping some of this ice out of the water. They'll be on the port or left side, so please do give them a little bit of space there. We certainly don't want anyone getting hit with the dip net.
Oh, there they are. So cute on the ice. Little harbor seals on the ice there, Luke.
As well as opening that gate there. But also look at some of these beautiful pieces of ice in the water here. Some of them are almost getting to be the size of true icebergs. So the small ice in the water is called brash ice. The next size up is called a growler. And the size just below an iceberg is called a bergy bit. And yes, these are the scientific names. Alright, so enjoy your time here in front of Aialik Glacier.